Hello, smart mathematicians. Welcome back. We are doing question 5.1. That given f of x is equal to negative 1 over x minus 3 plus 2, write down the equations of the asymptotes of f. So what we do here, remember from the general equation, let's say a hyperbolic function f of x is equal to a over x, let's say minus p plus q. Right, you have to know that for this equation, p will give you the equation of the vertical asymptote, and then q will give you the equation of the horizontal asymptote. So it means here is going to be x is equal to p, isn't it? Take note, here you said negative p, so it's, but here is positive p. You see that? But q maintains the sign for the horizontal asymptote. Y is equal to q. Okay, right. Then please, the mistake that we write here, or the mistake that we do here, is just maybe writing the value of p and the value of q. They say write the equation, don't just write 3 or write 2. So now let's answer the question. Write down the equation of the asymptotes of f. So it means it's going to be x is equal to 3, that is for the vertical asymptote, and then y is equal to 2 for the horizontal asymptote. Please take note, the p here will change its sign. If it's negative on the equation, it's going to be positive on the graph. If it is positive on the equation, it's going to be negative on the graph. Okay, right. We're going to meet when we do question 5.2.